Welcome everybody to Travel About. We're here today at the Turkey Creek RV Park. This is an Escapeease RV park. It is owned by Escapeease, but anyone can come in if you pay a fee. If you're an Escapeease member, I don't think they charge you anything here. And we're located right here on US Business 65. I'll put the US Business 65, I'll put the address in for you. It's a little bit of busy road there, 2-lane road, pretty wide entrance. I didn't have any problem getting in. It's the main office is right here. So what they want you to do is take a right, pull right up to the main office and shut your engine off. If the lady is there, she will come out, and if not, they'll have your paperwork sitting out on the desk. This is a small park. That's us sitting right over there. That Valor, we'll give you a better shot of that in a minute. We like this park. This is not part of RC. What is it? What's that thing we're a member of?
Escapeease.
No.
The RPI.
RPI.
It's not a member of that.
This is not a member of RPI. This is not Thousand Trails. So unless you're Escapeease, you're going to pay their fee. The clubhouse is located right here. I'm going to go ahead and, since we're walking past it, I'll go ahead and show you that.
Yeah, that's a long drive. Yeah, it's quite a trip.
Yeah. How you doing?
Well, good luck. Well, thank you. Can I swing back around through there to get out of here?
Yeah, it's all of them have a back door.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
All right, guys, let's check out the clubhouse. All right, typical clubhouse. Got some brochures, some tables. Got a full kitchen over here, but it says it's for staff only because they hold events here. I think Sunday they're having like an ice cream social. Yeah, ice cream socials on Sunday. There is a nice lounge area here. TV, fireplace, library. And let's continue. Oh, well, since we're over here, where's the laundry? It was nearby. Oh, it's on the other side. I saw it, but now I kind of forgot where it was. Anyway, that's the office, tiny little office. She's out right now. What do we got here? Toilet and a shower. Restrooms and showers. Where did I see the laundry? It must have been on the other end of the... I don't know. I saw the laundry somewhere. Oh, here it is. Sorry, guys. Here's your laundry. All right, so we got very small laundry. We got washer, one's out of order, dryer, and one dryer out of order. So we got 3 of each. Get yourself a sink, ironing board. That's it. Dumpsters, at least the ones we've been using, are right there. Looks like we got air right here with a gauge on it. That's nice. I'll probably check all my tires before we leave. All the roads here are gravel except for the one that comes in, the asphalt. It stops right here. So the rest of it is gravel. So you will hear a little gravelly crunchy noise as people are driving around. That's the only noise we really hear. The occasional dog bark, but not much. Compared to some other parks, it's pretty quiet for animals, at least while we've been here. It did rain a couple days. That's what's going on there. We got a dump station and a water fill-up station. That wasn't drinking water, though. That was just for shower water stuff. Anyways, all kinds of RVs in here. We're probably the biggest in here right now, a 45-foot toy hauler. She knew we were coming, kept a pull-through open for us, the appropriate size. And when I got over there to pull in, I was a little worried about an overhanging tree. We got a lot of trees here, y'all. So she saw me looking at it, and she came over and she let me take the one next to it. And so super nice. Accommodating for us anyway. So except for the few back through pull-throughs that we're at over there, everything else here is a back in. We are located directly on the water. I'm going to take you down to see the water here. Oh, the dog in that solitude. As soon as I start talking about how quiet it is, right? The dog's, well, we might have woke him. Yeah, we might have woke him up talking when he walked underneath. I'm not blaming the dog. That was probably my fault. Anyway, there's 2 places to get to the water on this campground. Now, it's a little soggy because it did rain. This one is the ramp. So if you got a boat, and a lot of people here do have some boats, you can just take your boat and get right on in. There's a squirrel. Bet you can't see him. You'll see him when he moves. I'm gonna get over here. There he goes. Ooh, look at that tree. That tree's about to go, y'all. It's like nothing left of that thing. Anyway, we got a nice boat ramp here. And there are a lot of fishing out here, a lot of fish. We're thinking about grabbing a fishing pole and coming down. I do travel with my fishing pole and my tackle box, and seriously thinking about throwing a line in. I see people fishing up there, and we'll show you more of this river. This is a really big river. It gets really big down that way, and we're going to actually go down there. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications, so when I put my river tour video out, you'll get a little ding on your phone or something. I'm not sure how it works, but you'll get notified that I'm putting something out. Anyway, what are you looking at now?
Skechers store.
Oh, she found a Skechers store. These are Skechers. This is about my 3rd pair. I get the same model, same brand, and the same color. She's got Skechers slip-ons. So we've been looking. Yeah, we were meant to go to the Skechers outlet store in Las Vegas when we were there, and totally spaced out and forgot. So we're looking for another one, and she just found one. Is that in the Tangier Mall? It is. It's in the Tangier Outlet Mall. We will be going there. I was going to do a little tour for you of the mall. Anyway, I'm not going to walk every street, but you can see the office right there. So you can see how far away it is. Not very far. Not a very big park, and I kind of like that about it. There are quite a few RV parks here. We're in Hollister, and there's some even in Branson themselves. They're pretty expensive. How much was this a night, Leslie? $36 a night. Now that's probably about as much as we've ever paid per night. But we are in a tourist area, guys. And when you're in Vegas or a tourist area like Branson, Missouri, things just cost a little more. Now there is an RPI. Is it RPI? Well, I keep forgetting that. There is an RPI outfit here. And that's it. No, there's one more row around the back. They're $10 a night with our RPI plan. All back ends, very crowded, and first come, first serve, period. That's it. They wouldn't even talk to me. It's first come, first serve. Wow. What are we hearing? Helicopter. Look at there comes the train. The Branson Scenic Railway train. Awesome. I didn't know we were going to see that today. We got a helicopter tour going and the Branson Scenic train going. You got a lot of people fishing over there. So anyway, you can take that train ride. I've heard some mixed reviews about it. I hear it's not real scenic, according to the forums. We've taken a lot of train rides through some pretty scenic territory. I don't think we're going to do that one. Pretty much the reviews I read was it's nothing but trees and, well, trees. You don't really see anything. Ooh, someone had a hard time getting out over there, or getting in. There's a Paradigm here, guys. Another Alliance, and there's that. Yeah, and there's another Paradigm up there. They just pulled in yesterday, so we got 3 Alliances in this park. That's something we don't see very often. In fact, I would say this is only the 2nd time we have ever seen another Alliance in a park. One was in Colorado, and it was a Paradigm. We've been to a lot of RV parks, a whole lot of them. So mostly what we see for toy haulers is the fuel, yeah, voltage, fuel, vengeance, things like that. Love is a decision, they wrote on the back of theirs. Love is a decision on the back of that Paradigm. Have we seen that somewhere on YouTube? Not sure. I'm gonna try to meet those people, by the way. I want to see what they think about their alliance. There's a Rogue. I was just talking about a Rogue, and you're sitting right there next to it. Anyway, that's it. We're just about to turn the corner, and that's the whole park. Would I recommend this place? If you're coming here to Branson, Missouri, and you don't mind being about 5 miles away from Branson itself, I would recommend this place. Little on the pricey end, but it's quiet. It's peaceful here. You got lots of shade from the trees. You don't really need that today, but you know. Are the sites tight together? Well, not where we are over there. Pull-throughs aren't too tight, but it looks like the back ends, some of them get a little tight.
And most people have a picnic table.
Yeah, I think almost every site has a picnic table. The water, the septic, everything is positioned very nicely. I can't find any fault with this place, guys. Except maybe the price, but you know, it is what it is. Anyway, I think that's it. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that. This is Turkey Creek in Hollister, Missouri, 5 miles from Branson. This is an Escapees RV park. I'll put some information in the description box for you. And let me show you real quick before we hang up what we got going on in our site. This is our RV, this is our truck. And so I'm standing in a pull-through. These are 75-foot pull-throughs, I think, 75 feet. And I was going to be over in this one, but I thought that was a little too low, so I chose this one. And it just brushed the top right there. No big deal. I've already been up on top and didn't even touch anything. And that's it, y'all. Thank everybody for watching. Make sure you hit the bell, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, leave me some comments. I'll see you guys soon. Make sure you subscribe for real, because we're going to be doing a lot of Branson, Missouri videos here. This is our first time in Branson, and I'm going to film as much of it as I can for you.